let me show you a quick guide on how you can be able to claim free Solana. All right, so you can see Solana coin is currently trading around 96.75 US dollars, and of course there is a way that you can be able to claim some free Solana. All right, so provided that you have been provided that you have been using the Solana blockchain, provided you have been trading on the Solana blockchain, provided that you have ever used the Solana blockchain to trade before, this method may work for you. Okay, so without wasting time, guys, before I will jump in to show you what you need to do right now to be able to claim free Solana, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please kindly consider supporting the channel by subscribing. Click on the bell icon so that whenever I post any new video, YouTube will send you notification immediately. And right now, without wasting time, do well to like the video and share it, drop an interesting comment. So the first thing you need to do to get started on claiming free Solana is to, of course, go ahead to install this Jupiter wallet, or you can use any Solana wallet. Okay, so any Solana wallet can work for this. So after installing the wallet, go ahead and open it. So it's going to be bringing you in like this. If you haven't set it up, go ahead and set it up. Now listen closely. If you are using a brand new wallet with no transaction on it, it may not work for you. Okay, so if you are using a brand new wallet with no transaction, it may not work for you. Okay, so without wasting time, let's continue. So assuming that you have been using this Solana wallet, or you have been trading meme coin, depending on how much you have traded meme coin or the total volume of your transaction on the Solana blockchain, that actually determines your airdrop, the amount of Solana that you are going to be able to claim back. Okay, so I'm currently on my account 3. I'm not going to be showing you guys this example on my main account. I will show you guys this example on my account 3, which is just my Bona wallet. Okay, so right now, what you need to do right now is to head over to this browser section up here. Click on it. Now over here, you need to type in this website address, https://soulincinerator.com. all right, so once you just type in this web address, I'm going to be leaving the link right there on the video description and also on the comment section. So go ahead and then search for it. Once you search for it, they are going to be bringing you right here. And if you have never connected your wallet, then you are going to need to connect your wallet. Okay, so looking over here, you can see this is my wallet right here, and of course you can see it has been connected already. So make sure you connect your wallet, and after connecting your wallet, this is going to be showing you the amount of Solana that you can claim. So this is very, very small, and that is because I'm using a Bona wallet. So if you do this on the wallet that you normally trade meme coin on, or you normally do transaction on Solana on, you are going to be getting something way bigger than this, something far way bigger than this. Okay, so right now, scrolling down a little bit right now, let me show you something real quick. Okay, you can see this is how it works. You simply connect your wallet, then you review your free Solana. All right, so you can see how much free Solana you can claim from vacant token accounts. Each empty account hold approximately 0.002 Sol in rent deposit. Then you simply claim it. All right, so right now, without wasting time, let's try claiming this. But I don't think I have enough Solana to pay for the gas fee, so I'm only showing you this video so that you can try it out and then claim your own free Solana on your own site. I will click on claim right now. Let's see what we are going to have right here. Okay, so right now, this is going to be popping up asking us to approve the transaction, and okay, you can see I don't have enough gas fee right here. You can see it says this transaction may fail. That is what it said. Okay, it said the transaction may fail, and that is because I do not have a gas fee currently on my wallet. Okay, let me go ahead and check the amount of Solana that I have right here. I don't think I have any. Okay, looking over here, you can see I don't have Solana, but I can easily convert any of these dust token right here to use it and claim. You only need a very little Solana gas fee. Okay, you only need a little Solana gas fee to be able to claim this. So that is just how easy it is. Let me show you guys how much that is needed for this. Okay, right now I will click on confirm. Let's see. I know this will not go. That is because I do not have. You can see transaction failed. That is because I do not have enough Solana to actually claim this. So try it out at your own end. Let me know what you think about this. Let me see if it works for you or not. Remember, there's going to be the link to the website right there on the video description box. All right, so before we continue, guys, remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research properly before you engage on any crypto related activity. Okay, so that's just how easy it is, and this is how you can be able to claim free Solana today. All right, so try it out. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that I'm going to be showing you guys very soon.